Hello and welcome back to part 4 of our WordPress card plugin series. In the last video, we create a custom database table using DB Delta. Now, in this video, we will create a simple form inside the admin page that lets users submit the name and email. So go to VS Editor and open mycardplugin.php file. And now here, mycard plugin admin page function I call. First, comment out. Now open div and div close and div class equal to work. Next, copy this heading, paste. Now write form tag open and form tag close. Inside form, write method equal to post and action blank. Table class equal to form data table class close table tag close here. Now tr tag open and tr tag close. Now th and th tag close. Write label for name equal to name label tag close. Next line is input field. For input field, write td tag open and td tag close. Write input tag open name equal to name type equal to text id equal to name require class equal to regular hyphen text. Now copy this tr and paste for email name and email. Change here for email. After table submit field, write input tag open inside input tag write type equal to submit name equal to my card submit class equal to button primary value equal to add record. Now save, go to dashboard and reload once and click the cart plugin name. Click. As see, one form is create. In the next video, we will write the backend logic to handle the form submission and insert the data into our custom database table. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thank you.